Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalagor sa reading natin. So let's see. So nahulog na agad to. Magnet and bonfire. Oh, coins. Lakas ng karmic natin Coffin. Letter. Dream catcher. And fish. Okay. So, mukhang may nagising na dito sa katotohanan about this connection na karmic relationship. So, tingnan natin. Nawala na kasi yung mga ilusyon na nabulgar na yung tunay na kulay nitong taong to, which is a karmic partner. So, nagkaroon na ng separation with the karmic. Parang completion ng cycle. And itong divine counterpart mo, nakikita mo na siya ngayon sa panaginip mo or giving signs. So we have here the Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Death card, alakas ng Scorpio, Nine of Cups, Four of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Bottom card natin, the Fool. So maring twin flame connection na itong taong to ay nabuhay sa ilusyon ng karmic niya. So ngayon wala na yung light or yung boost na ibinigay ng devil sa karmic para mabulagan siya. So ngayon lumabas na yung tunay na kulay, na wala na yung light na yon, fake light na ibinigay doon. Kaya ngayon nagising na itong taong to, nagkaroon na siya ng spiritual awakening na mali yung taong kasama niya, kailangan nila maghiwalay. Kaso yung iba is undecided pa. So iniinda niya pa itong mga nangyari. Tingnan natin. Pero nasa right path na siya. Kumbaga hindi na siya naliligaw na tupa ngayon. So kailangan pa ng patience by Archangel Jophiel. Your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you realize. Still they need nurturing and patience. My intuition choose you. Business is business. It's a disaster. So ngayon kasi parang everything is falling apart dito sa iyong twin flame. Giving up. So nag-give up na siya sa karmic niya. Husband-wife material. Being defensive. You're so sexy and hot. Wow. Willing to take the risk. Bottom card. So, magte-take na siya ng risk with this Fool card and also with this confirmation. Okay, tingnan natin. Pero kailangan muna niyang ayusin to kasi yung mundo niya ngayon is parang nag-start siya from scratch. Nag-start ulit siya sa zero. Kasi gumuho lahat Yung mga pundasyon na binuo niya with their karmic, gumuho lahat. You came closer than anyone. I know I was a distraction from your pain. So, hayaan mo muna siya. Huwag mo muna siyang i-distract dito sa nararamdaman niya. Huwag ka magre-reach out. Kasi siya ang magre-reach out sa'yo. I feel you even though we are apart. Lalo na kung ang pinagdadaanan, kung lalo na sa mga divine feminines, don't do a move. It was my fault but I blamed you. I want to be more than friends. Not available. Kasi hindi pa sila totally. Tapos, inaayos pa lang niya ito. Kailangan muna niya itong ayusin. I'm becoming a better person. You and I were too young. And we need to let each other go. So, kailangan niyo munang mag-grow apart talaga muna. Hayaan niyo muna siya. Kuha tayo ng initials. S, L, F, K, X, Z, W, U, and G. Kuha tayo ng blue card. Confessions and manipulation. So, kasi itong karmic niya, minamanipulate siya Marriage. So, for some of you, nakasal siya sa karmic partner, kaya medyo kailangan pang ayusin to legally. May mga legal matters pa na kailangang ayusin. Tingnan natin general signs and messages. Beautiful. Fantastic friend. Gemini. Mindanao. Athletic. Talented. Libra. Kind-hearted. Runner and party animal. Wands, fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, soon. Good heart. Ex-lover. Flower. Mountain. August. Sexy body. Food lover. 3. March. February. Summer. Aquarius. North PH. Overthinker and patience. Another patience. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.